This is an introduction to the hard data feature, which is not enabled by default in all projects, but is enabled on request to specific projects. So, let's say you have a set of options that you need to evaluate to choose the best one, and you'll be doing this using a set of subjectively evaluated criteria and some objective criteria. So your participants will evaluate the risks and benefits for these options in a questionnaire, and then the cost and delivery time will be input as hard data. So these you see are the new buttons provided under the existing enable and disable criterion for a session. You have these buttons which sets the criterion as hard data or subjective data. So cost and delivery time have been defined as hard data in each session. They don't necessarily need to be hard data in both sessions, just in one, but here we have them in both. So then you would go to the new tab where the inputting of hard data is done. And there you will have a spreadsheet with two columns, one column for each session. We have 2 sessions in this project. And then there is a row for every criteria in every item. So you remember we had 6 items for our options, and we made 2 criteria to be hard. So we get 12 rows of data, which you can input typing them in, or you can also copy paste them from a spreadsheet. You just need to make sure that your spreadsheet is in exactly the same format as the spreadsheet in the software, including the blank lines on the item rows. And you can use either commas or periods when typing your data. I have a mixture of commas and periods to denote decimal numbers. So I can just copy this and paste it in, and it works. So that's how you enable hard data criteria and input the data.